এই যে এটা আমার বাসার কাছে প্যানোরামা সিটিতে ইমাম বুখারী মসজিদ। আজকে জুমার দিন শুক্রবারে আসছে।
You know, they come and you know the first thing they're gonna have a bad feeling about all these things. That's number one they're gonna do. So we have to be careful when it comes to something like this. There is a permit, secure parking permit from 10 to 12 during Ramadan. So inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you can reach the board and you can obtain that. So inshallah, we're gonna have the masjid.
Hello friends, this is my Queen of the Night cactus. It has 9 blooms tonight. Very fragrant. হ্যাঁ